The right dwelling coverage limit depends on what it would actually cost to rebuild your home, and several factors drive that number. Dwelling coverage pays to repair or rebuild your home structure after a covered loss. Square footage is the starting point. Larger homes cost more to rebuild than smaller ones. The materials matter too. Brick, stone, or custom finishes cost significantly more to replicate than standard wood frame construction. Local labor and material costs shift over time, so a limit set a few years ago may not reflect today's reality. Your roof type, built in features like custom cabinetry or hardwood floors, and attached structures like garages and covered porches are all part of that rebuild cost too. One mistake a lot of homeowners make is that they set their dwelling limit to match what they paid for the house. But your purchase price and what it would cost to rebuild are two very different numbers, sometimes by a lot. Review your limit annually. Construction costs rose substantially in recent years, and an outdated number can leave a real gap.